Hi, today I am open sourcing Mithrl, which is a 500-line RL codebase to make RL VR experiments easier to set up and hackable. I'd love for this codebase to be the base on top of which people hack on RL experiments. My intention with this is to run auto research type workloads on this, and I wanted to give auto research a very high quality hackable codebase to run its AI experiments on top of. Let's jump into the code and see how the main loop works. Firstly, there is the env base class, and this just defines what an env should look like. It should have a system prompt, a next query, metadata for things like group ID, for group-based algorithms like grpo, and a step, which just steps through a time state. I've implemented a very basic GSM 8K. I've turned that dataset into an environment, and it's a simple math word problem dataset. The output of that is one number. As you can see here, I trained a Qwen 2.5 3B base model on this task, and it started thinking and it started answering. If you look at the graph on weights and biases, the reward mean goes up. It goes from 0.4, and if you train for long enough, goes to 0.7. The rewards itself are also pretty easy to define. It's something that you have to do in the environment. I basically just give it format rewards, and then also a 1 if it gets the answer right, or 0 if it does not. Finally, when I say 500 lines of code, I'm talking about the env rl and rollout.py. The rl.py file is pretty simple. It does 4 main things. The first one is it wakes VLLM up, then it runs the rollouts on VLLM, it puts it back to sleep, which discards the KV cache and offloads weights to CPU. And finally, it trains the adapter using Hugging Face Peft, and then it loops back. So if you're building an RL and would like an in-house RL stack, I'd love to get on call and help integrate this for free.